So part C of number 2 asked us to determine the time at which the net force on the truck is 0. And it might seem like we don't really have any information about the force on the truck, but we can actually figure out a function for the net force from that position function that we're given. So the problem gives us a position function, position with respect to time. If we take the derivative of that, we can get the velocity function. And then if we take the derivative of the velocity function, we can get the acceleration function. And then once we have the acceleration function, that's going to help us answer this question, because when there is a net force acting on an object, the result of that is that the object accelerates because of Newton's second law, net force equals mass times acceleration. So whenever there is a net force, the object's going to be accelerating. If there is a time when there's no net force, when that is 0, then the acceleration is going to be 0 at that time. So net force and acceleration are 0 at the same points in time. So to figure out when the net force is 0, we just want to figure out when the acceleration of the truck is 0. So once we have that acceleration function, we're just going to set it equal to 0 and find the time when it will equal 0, and that's when the net force would be 0.